So we're going to close out of Skyline and we're going to go back to Warren Legal because we are going to be creating some mailing labels. So we're going to select clients because it does make sense to create labels for your clients. And we're going to go into create. And if you look in the report group, you will see that there is a label option. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to start the label wizard. And the first thing that you're probably going to want to set is the type of label that you have. And Avery is what they want us to be using. So after you set the label manufacturer, then you can actually pick the type of label. And this C2160 is fine. Unit of measure English is fine. Labels are typically sheet fed, so that looks fine. And what we're going to do is click on next. So if you wanted to change the font and the font size and the color, you could. We're going to keep the defaults and click on next. So now we get to create the actual label itself by putting in our fields. So we're going to choose first name. And then you do need to insert your own punctuation. So we need to put in a space and we can move over last name. And now we have to press enter because we need to get down to the next line for the street address. And we're going to press enter and we're going to add the city and a comma and a space. And then we'll do the state and a space and the zip code. Okay, so you have to put in your own punctuation. You have to press enter to create this little label with these placeholders. And once you've got the label created, you're going to click on next. What fields do you want to sort by? We are going to sort by zip code. And then we're going to click on next. And what do we want to call this? Label clients is fine. So we're going to go ahead and finish. Okay, and it automatically pulled the labels from our table. And the great thing about doing it this way is you'll make adjustments to your table, and this report is automatically going to pick up those adjustments. Okay, so you do not need to worry about printing. Okay, we're just going to go ahead, save, and close them.